So here we are. We have a Renault Trafic. The battery in the Keyfob's flat, and obviously it won't operate the remote unlocking and, well, immobilising the alarm. So will the van still work? Let's put the key in the driver's door and open it. Yep, the alarm goes off. So if the alarm stops, does that then allow us to put the key in the ignition and start it? Yep. So the van will run, but what about the side doors? They don't have keyholes in, so they're still locked. That's not a problem. We can just go in and press the unlock, pull the doors. So here we check again, and the passenger door opens, and the side slider door, as well as the back. This is quite handy if the Keyfob battery has gone flat, and we'll go through changing that battery later. So let's turn it off. The next thing to think about is, how do we lock it all up? So we put the key in the driver's door, that locks the driver's door. But what about these other doors? Are they linked at all? Nope, they're not. Totally independent, which is the opposite of a car, in most cars. So we need to go back in the van and use the old lock button on the dashboard. So that has now locked the back door and the side doors, but we still need to lock the driver's side door. Driver's side door locked. Passenger side, sliding door and rear. So here we go. It's a boiler, and we're changing the key in the fob. So CR1220, this has been changed, I don't know, probably I change it every year, I don't know. Anyway, so the key's a bit old, but it still works. So yeah, just one of these CR1220 batteries. Probably easier to change than get the thing out of the packet, but there they go. The size of the key, it could take a bigger 2032 battery, but no, it's like a small one. So yeah, just prise it open at the back carefully, and then inside there's a sealing piece of rubber on the outside. We just pop that battery out. We can work out how it comes out, and then we just pop that new one in. Seal it all together. And that is pretty much it. So remember that if that battery does go flat, you can obviously still operate the van. It's a bit of a pain, but you can still do it. And there we go, all working again. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and I'll see you on another.